Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing good. It's a good sunny day today and I'm enjoying the sun over here. I just came from gym, so taking some vitamin C, D, E, F. Anyways, as you guys know that I got a drone and I have been playing a lot with that drone. And I flew all around in this Scranton area. So why don't you guys go and see the drone footage that I made while I finish my protein shake. You guys go and enjoy the drone flight. See you later. How was it? I hope you guys like it and enjoyed. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. If not, it's okay. Let me know in the comment section how I can improve myself, as I'm still learning how to control and fly this small drone. Anyways, it's a beautiful day out here. So right now I'm going out to grab breakfast and enjoy the sun. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.